Come on, kids. It's documentary time. Today, we're galloping across the sun-soaked plains of Africa to meet one of the continent's most iconic animals, the zebra. Zebras are wild horses known for their eye-catching black and white stripes. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern, making each one as unique as our own fingerprints. Zebras are part of the equid family, which means they're relatives of horses and donkeys. They are sturdy animals, built for survival in tough environments. Their stripes might make them stand out at the zoo, but in the wild, these stripes are super handy. They help zebras hide from predators like lions by confusing them when zebras move in groups. This is because the stripes blur together, making it hard for predators to focus on just one zebra. There are 3 types of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy's zebra. The plains zebra is the most common, and you can tell it apart from others by its broader stripes that wrap around its belly. Mountain zebras have narrower stripes, and they don't go all the way around their belly. Grevy's zebras are the largest type and have the thinnest stripes. Zebras live in different habitats across Africa. Plains zebras love the grasslands and savannas, while mountain zebras prefer rocky, hilly areas. Grevy's zebras are often found in semi-arid grasslands, where they roam in smaller groups than other zebra species. A zebra's diet is primarily grass. They spend a lot of their time grazing to get enough nutrients to stay healthy. Sometimes they munch on leaves and twigs, but grass is definitely their favorite. They have strong teeth and powerful jaws that help them chew tough, fibrous grass all day long. Life in the wild isn't just grazing, it's about being part of a community. Zebras often form large herds for protection. Within these herds, they have smaller family groups led by a stallion, with several mares and their young ones. Zebras communicate with each other through various sounds like barking, braying, and snorting, and even through facial expressions and body movements. Zebras are not just beautiful. They play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By grazing, they help keep the vegetation in check, which benefits other animals and keeps the savanna healthy. Despite their tough life in the wild, zebras continue to thrive, showing just how resilient and remarkable they truly are. So next time you see a zebra, whether in a book, at a zoo, or on a screen, remember, they're not just stripy horses. They're smart, social, and superb survivors of the savanna. Now, wasn't that a stripe-tastic adventure? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of wildlife. As we continue our zebra adventure, let's dive a bit deeper into how these stunning animals interact with their environment and each other. Zebras are highly social creatures, and their interactions are quite fascinating to observe. In the wild, zebras often band together to form what's called a herd. Herds can range from small family groups of a few individuals to large gatherings of hundreds of zebras. This social structure plays a critical role in their survival. By living in groups, zebras can look out for predators more effectively. When a predator is spotted, the herd will band together, and their combined stripes can confuse the attacker, making it difficult for the predator to target a single zebra. But life in a herd isn't just about safety, it's also about friendship and family. Within each herd, zebras show affection by nuzzling and grooming each other, which helps to strengthen their bonds. Young zebras are especially playful and can often be seen chasing each other, practicing the running skills they might need to escape predators in the future. Migration is another important aspect of a zebra's life. Many herds of plains zebras participate in great migrations in search of fresh grazing lands. These journeys are among the most spectacular in the animal kingdom, with thousands of zebras traveling long distances across the African plains. During these migrations, zebras face many challenges, including crossing crocodile-infested rivers and evading other predators like hyenas and cheetahs. Reproduction is a vital part of life for zebras. Female zebras, called mares, usually give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 months. Newborn zebras can stand up and walk just minutes after birth, a crucial ability that helps them keep up with the herd and avoid predators. Foals are born with brown and white stripes, which darken as they grow older. Despite their resilience, zebras face threats from habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure these amazing animals continue to thrive in the wild. Protecting their habitats and preventing poaching are key steps in maintaining healthy zebra populations. So there you have it, a closer look at the lively and dynamic world of zebras. These creatures are more than just beautiful. They are vital players in their ecosystems, skilled survivors, and loving family members. Every stripe on a zebra tells a story of life on the savanna, a tale of unity, strength, and beauty. Keep exploring, and you'll find every creature has a fascinating story, just waiting to be told. Happy discovering. User, as we journey deeper into the world of zebras, let's explore how these magnificent creatures adapt to their environments and what challenges they face as seasons change. Zebras are remarkably adaptable to different weather conditions, but they do have preferences. During the dry season, when water and green grass are scarce, zebras must travel longer distances to find sustenance. This seasonal movement isn't just a trek, it's a strategic survival tactic. As waterholes and rivers dry up, zebras move towards more fertile areas where water is still available. This migration is crucial as it affects not only the zebras, but also the predators that rely on them for food and other species that share their habitat. When the rains return, zebras quickly take advantage of the lush new vegetation. This is a time of plenty, and it's also when most mares give birth. The abundance of food allows the mothers to produce enough milk for their foals, giving the newest members of the herd a strong start in life. The rainy season is a time for growth and rejuvenation in the zebra communities. Zebras also play a pivotal role in their ecosystem through their grazing habits. By feeding on older, tougher grasses, they help maintain the health of the grasslands, making them more suitable for other grazers who prefer shorter, softer grass. This grazing pattern helps prevent large-scale bushfires by reducing the amount of dry, flammable material available. It's a perfect example of how zebras contribute to ecological balance. However, life on the savanna is not without its risks. Zebras must constantly be on the alert for lions, leopards, and wild dogs. Their keen senses of hearing and sight, along with their speed, are their main defenses against these threats. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, and their stamina is key to outrunning predators that may tire more quickly. Human activities pose additional challenges for zebras. Habitat loss due to agriculture and urban expansion reduces the amount of land available for zebras to roam freely. Furthermore, zebras are sometimes hunted for their striking skins, which are prized in some cultures. Conservation initiatives are crucial to help protect these iconic animals from such threats. Efforts include creating protected areas, implementing anti-poaching measures, and raising public awareness about the importance of zebras in the ecosystem. In conclusion, zebras are not only a symbol of Africa's wild beauty, but also key players in maintaining the ecological dynamics of their habitats. Their presence helps regulate vegetation growth, supports predator-prey dynamics, and ensures the health of the savanna. As we wrap up our exploration, let's remember the importance of protecting these extraordinary creatures and the wild landscapes they inhabit. Through continued conservation efforts, we can hope to see zebras thrive for generations to come, roaming free and wild across Africa's vast savannas. Keep wondering, keep learning, and keep caring about our planet and its incredible wildlife.